If you're looking for the easiest affiliate system to finally start generating the commissions you deserve, you're in the right place. Now, I'm going to share with you my brand new affiliate system called the Daily Deposit System. But first, I want to share an incredible testimonial that came in within the very first week of launching. So it's from Diane right here. She says, "I'm so incredibly impressed with your system, Garrett. I've purchased and tried many programs for years now, and never once been this excited for anything. It's streamlined, easy to understand and follow, and not full of hype or BS." And by the way, I'm sharing this to share with you what's possible, okay? The reason I created this system, which you can actually access for free right now at the link under this video, you can create a totally free account, is because I was sick and tired of people going through the motions online, being confused, overwhelmed, complicated systems, complicated processes, not knowing exactly what to do in about 30 minutes a day to finally start generating commissions. She said, it's not full of hype. I'm back in the game, my friend, and ready to work this one. Your video training is short and to the point. Finally, someone who gets how to KISS, keep it simple, stupid, right? And that's, again, I've gone through so many of these systems. If you've seen one of my other channels where I've reviewed hundreds of affiliate programs and different systems, most of them are so complicated and the videos are long and drawn out. And I just got right to the point and shared with you exactly what to do. And in this video, I'm gonna walk through how to do that as well, even faster, so you can literally by today start setting it up and start to generate real income. It says not just for myself about to turn 70, but it can appeal to the folks who need this the most right now, baby boomers, right? So this is for all ages. If you're someone maybe in your 60s, 70s, or even older, and you want to earn some real legitimate income, I recommend you go to the link below. Again, it's risk-free. It's actually free to join right now. So I just want to share two more very quickly so you can see what's possible. This is Joe right here on Facebook. He said, your $900 program is amazing. Okay, the $900 program, because the first income stream allows you to make up to $900. Okay, and I say thank you so much. And then right here, hey dude, just had to say this trading is epic. I've never ever done anything like this before, but the way you broke it down makes it super easy. I've literally just started, already have 2 people sign up and 3 more signing up tomorrow. Okay, so absolutely incredible, and I want to share with you how this works. When you go to the link below, you're going to get taken to a page that looks like this. Now, this is the registration page, okay? Now, you can watch this video here, but essentially, I'm going to cut to the point and share with you exactly how to start to make money ASAP, okay? So just click this yellow button here, and this is going to be the registration form. So again, it's totally free to register your account. Put in your first name, last name, email that you want to log in, okay, and see your referrals and your earnings and things like that, and then a password that you also want to log in with. Once you do that, you want to click register your free account. Okay, so once you log in here, you're going to see that this is your dashboard, okay? Now at the top right here, it's going to have the streams, how many income streams you've actually activated inside. There's 7 currently. It's going to share with you how many people you've referred, okay? So you can always see that and know how well you're doing day to day. And then it's going to say your rank, okay? So there's different ranks inside, so you want to constantly be getting a higher rank. This is going to keep you motivated. Now, the next step is you want to click continue setup here, and that's going to take you to the income stream setup, okay? Now, the income stream setup is very important. There's these 7 different income streams. Now, these are all very popular affiliate programs, tools, resources that you need anyway to succeed with affiliate marketing. I've just built them in so you can literally promote one link, okay, right here. Everyone's gonna get a different referral link. You promote that one link, and when people join under you and you've activated these different affiliate links, okay, they're gonna be able to go through and they're gonna be able to join under you. Now, all of these, like I said, are handpicked. This right here, the Legacy Builder, this is the $900 program. By the way, if you're already a member of one of these affiliate programs, you don't have to rejoin. Just take your affiliate link, paste it in this box, and then save it. And then now, whenever you promote this system with this link and people sign up under you, okay, they click this button to join, they're gonna join under you and you're gonna be able to make those sweet commissions. So again, very simple stuff. Go through. If you ever need to know how to do it, just click this watch tutorial You can watch exactly how to sign up for that program, how to find your affiliate link, and then save it into this box. If you want to test what link your members, your referrals will actually see, just click this test link. And again, go through all of them there. All of them are recommended. Another question I've gotten a few times is, what if I can't set up all of them? Don't worry, like if you can't set up all the income streams right now, maybe you can't afford it or whatever the case may be, just set up as many as you can and start promoting this, okay? Because you do not have to set up all of them first. Set up as many as you can, promote it, start earning these commissions on autopilot, and then reinvest so you activate all of them. And then once you activate all of them, you have the highest income ceiling to make the most amount of money. Now, let's assume you've signed up all of them, okay? The next step is step 2, the autoresponder, where you're gonna be able to integrate an autoresponder so when people register through your referral link, they automatically start getting followed up with, prompted to go back into your system and upgrade in the different income streams. This is how you're gonna be able to have a well-greased engine running in the background even while you're sleeping to make amazing commissions, okay? This is what the people in the beginning of the video are doing. This is what people from around the world have been doing. Now, again, this video right here, very simple video on exactly how to connect an autoresponder. The recommended autoresponder is GetResponse. It's one of the best when it comes to make money online programs. And also it has amazing affiliate commissions. It's actually one of the income streams. But if you have another autoresponder, you can just go to the referrals here, export your referrals, and then just upload it into your autoresponder. Then once it's set up, okay, that's really that simple. Just go to the get traffic, step 3, okay? And literally just follow any of these proven training videos on how to get massive traffic, okay? I even give you copy paste swipes. So for example, Facebook free traffic. I've made tons of sales. A lot of my members have made tons of sales with Facebook free traffic, okay? So what that means is if you have a profile and you have some friends on there, you're sitting on potentially thousands of dollars, okay? Because this is a brand new system, and if you get in early and you get people going to your link and upgrading, the sky's the limit, my friend, right? So you wanna watch this video, okay? And then just take one of these posts, make it on your profile, and these are designed to get people to comment for information. And once people comment, all you have to do is send them this message, okay? Now, this message will automatically pre-fill with your referral link, okay? And that's all you have to do. Now, that's Facebook. Maybe you don't want to promote on Facebook. You could do Udemy, okay? Solo ads. I have the full email to send. My lead gen secret, that's one of the income streams, right? This gives you the email to send. YouTube free traffic, what I'm doing right now, you can actually do as well, right? Just, you don't have to show your face. You can just show your screen with a simple, screen recorder software like OBS, right? Open broadcast software. It's what I'm using right now, by the way. And you can just do this. These are keywords that you can use. Put these in your title, put these in your description and your tags, and you can start ranking and getting people signing up. Traffic authority, Opus clip, right? So all of these trainings are both free or paid that you can use. Choose one or two, stick with it, and get as many people going to your referral link as possible. And then step number 4 is claim bonuses. So when you actually join, okay, Legacy Builder, that first income stream at the $900 level within your first week, you're going to be able to access $6,000 plus worth of bonuses. You can see the bonuses here, okay? Lead capture pages, YouTube wealth blueprint, okay? So this is how to go even deeper with free YouTube. Done for you TikTok videos you can post, solo ad traffic, again, going deeper into that. 5 nights in Cancun in a hotel, and then how to leverage bonuses, right? So these will automatically unlock when your sponsor unlocks them for you by you basically joining at the highest level. This is incredibly simple. I highly recommend you do this. All you have to do, again, is go down to the link under this video. You'll get taken to a page that looks like this. Okay, click this button, sign up, and then follow the simple process. It's new, it's hot, it's going viral right now, and you can get in and you can finally start to earn the commissions you deserve. If you have any questions, comment them under this video. And until next time, my friend, take care, and I'll see you on the inside.